Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by and visiting with me. Today I'm going to be sharing the unboxing of my citrus twist kit for the month of November. And I've already kind of taken a small glimpse at it, and I could tell that it's not autumn or fall related. And I'm a little bit disappointed because I didn't get anything for October that was like Halloween. For November, I thought, okay, maybe I'll get some fall decorations or fall things that I could use, and it looks like I got none of that. And then I'm thinking, well, let me give them until December and see if December has any Christmassy things that I could put together. I feel like maybe the company does sell that separately, but if I have a monthly subscription, I was kind of expecting it to be included in the kit. So I don't know. I'm a little bit disappointed on that. And honestly, I'm gonna give them till December, but I may be canceling this subscription. I think the kits are beautiful. Me personally, I was just hoping to get things related to the month of that subscription, if that makes sense. So the kits are beautiful. It's just that I'm a little bit disappointed, and I don't know if you have to buy that separately. So anyways, so before I get started, you guys, I wanted to say, please let me know in the comments listed below if you have a subscription kit that maybe I can check out. I've already had Studio Calico and Kelly Perkley. And of course, you guys saw I have my Felicity Jane, which, by the way, let me let you guys know, because in the previous video I said that we didn't get a kit for November or December from Felicity Jane, and I was wondering if they were gonna charge or not charge. And so far for the month of November, I didn't get charged. Okay, so I just wanted to let you guys know. And I don't think I'll get charged for December either. So, or did they have a kit for November? I don't know. I feel like I didn't get charged. So anyway, so please give me your suggestions in the comments below, and I'll do my research and kind of go in and look at the companies and see if, you know, there's a subscription kit that I should check out. But anyways, the kit for this month is legendary. You only live once, but if you do it right, once is enough. Make it happen. Very positive quote. You have the enamel dots, which honestly I still have quite a few. I don't think I've used the previous ones either, so it's okay. Just build up in my stash for later. This are vellum tape strips, and it's all about relaxing and recharging and sentiments and whatnot. Then this one is a foam alphabet sticker in white. Puffy hearts, which honestly I have some from a previous kit as well. And then I'm not gonna take the ephemera out, but you guys could see it's very not fall at all. And I was kind of hoping, honestly. I mean, I could definitely use the deer, but other than that, it's very pastel colors, which is something that I do like. Very spring colors, very soft. So yes, I do like them. Like I said again already, I'm just a bit disappointed that for October, November, I haven't gotten anything that's like season related or month related. Oh, I'm not gonna take this out, but this is just a 3x4 stamp set, and you guys can see story time, breathe and joy, beauty in little things, legendary. You know what the problem with this is, you guys, and I'm gonna be honest, is I get a 3x4 stamp set like this one in almost every single kit that I've gotten from this company. And I say this with all the other stamps as well, because Studio Calico used to send you small stamp sets like these. Not in every single kit, but a majority of the kits, or in some kits. The problem that I have is that I keep the stamp set, right, and I keep it stored in my stamp baskets that I have, but I don't do a good job remembering every single sentiment that I have. So, and I'm trying to figure out if there's a method that I could keep track. And so what happens to me is I end up forgetting, and I end up not using them. So I think that's like a big problem for me, is keeping track of every single sentiment and remembering, oh yeah, I have this sentiment that says bold dream. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I'm 2-3 months from now, I'm gonna forget I have that. And it's like, I wish I had a way to keep track of every single stamp sentiment. And that, I don't know if that would even be worth the hard work of organizing it or keeping a tracking system. I don't know. But anyways, this is the legendary stamp set. And of course, it's just positive sentiments, you guys, that I've already seen. Like, I've seen Story Time before, Legendary Meal, Such a Big Moment, Beauty in Little Things, and just positive sentiments. Okay, for the 3x4, sorry, the 3x4 journal cards are, again, not even fall colors, but Sweet Disaster, Ready, and that's what it looks in the back. So this one, it says ready for this, not ready for this. Okay, so you could flip it, and then that's the background of that. Rise and Shine, Good Night, Sleep Tight is on the opposite. And then Wandering and Wander. Wandering and Wandering. What? Okay. These are pretty colors. Again, very pretty pastel colors. I am going to keep it. I will use it, but it's just a little bit disappointing it's not fall. And that's the back of that. Oh, this one's so pretty. This one's pretty. This one's gorgeous. And then that's this one back here. So that's it for the 3x4 journal cards. Then 6x8 paper. We have, well, first we have 2 4x6. This one's really pretty. Then this one. Then typical of the kids, you always have these little label cutouts. Then you have Stories Happen Every Day, and then just, this is the back of that. Then this is the 6x8 paper pad, or paper stack, I'm sorry. Oh, I forget. These are only one-sided. So you have the number set, this flower pattern, this grid, triangle grid, lemons, yellow with the funky pattern. See that? This blue one, mint with some leaves. This wood grain is beautiful. This square blue, darker blue, some pink, and that. So again, not very excited. I mean, there's a few things that I could pull that I actually like, but again, it wasn't very an exciting kit for me for the month of November. I was hoping to get some fall pieces so that I could include in my scrapbook. But anyways, you guys, that is going to be it for this video. I hope that you guys give me some suggestions, because I honestly, I say I'm gonna give them until December, but like, I'm already made up my mind that I'm gonna cancel this subscription and look for another one. So I look forward to you guys giving me suggestions. I will check out the companies and inquire and see their past kits to see if I could kind of get something that's, I don't know, more festive, I guess. But anyways, you guys, I'm ranting now, but just wanted to say thank you for stopping by, visiting with me and spending your time with me. And I will see you guys on the next video. Have a good week. Bye.